The third desire, a dialogue. She has an aura. I beheld her and my gaze refused to release her. She is already entangled, you do know. That gentleman, well, you've seen him. Forgive the interruption, but I fear you misunderstand. What is there to misunderstand? You are clearly taken. Yet she is not yours to pursue. And that is precisely the misunderstanding. The notion of pursuit, the notion of possession. So, you claim this is not about desire? I claim only that it is not the desire you're so eager to assign. Come on now, either you wish to seduce her, or you seek to toy with your own longing. Don't wrap it in silk and call it something divine. Is that the full extent of your imagination? Seduction or denial? Well, if there's a third path, it sounds like a condition worth treating. That may well be, but not this. This is no ailment. There is, in fact, no conflict at all. No conflict? None. I wish only to behold, without claim, without interruption, a gaze left to its own silence. I simply seek to understand what it is I see when I see her. And not once does the thought of, shall we say, intercourse occur to you? Intercourse? Not even a discourse, my friend. Then if I were to arrange a meeting, you would decline to so much as reach for her hand? Perhaps. Though sometimes one touches a thing only to confirm it exists.